I I got involved with TTI because I was really looking for something to help more production based. I've been practicing for 30 years, and this is the fourth or fifth consulting group over 30 years. I tell folks I don't know if I'm just not that smart, or I just figured somebody's got to have a better way. I don't have to figure it out myself. And TTI has been the best as far as helping you with production almost immediately, as soon as you can get that hygiene explosion in. So that part has definitely been great. Well, they got hygiene ramped up, which ramps up your restorative side also. And that is really, I was busting at the seams as a solo practitioner, and I'd already hired an associate, and they were plenty busy, but they weren't as busy as they could be. And TTI has gotten us over that hump. So as they got hygiene ramped up, now the associate's fully booked, and with more staff and more space, she and I could both do more. It's a lady that I've got in there with me, and so that's why we had to expand, add some more ops, and added more assistants. I was hesitant to expand, and TTI definitely helped calm my nerves. I just built a new office 4 years ago, and so and that went very well. And I don't know why it bothered me to go into more debt when everything's already going well. But the coaches, TTI coaches, definitely helped calm my nerves on going into further debt. And we've just moved into it within the last month, and we're already utilizing those rooms. TTI's helped make that transition definitely smooth. TTI has definitely boosted production, hygiene and restorative. I feel like the hygiene always leads to restorative production increase, and it can be chaotic. I tell other dentists, growth can be as big of a problem as not being busy enough. So having TTI help sort through the issues that come up, and it's a constant battle trying to get systems in place so you can do it as smoothly as possible for the staff and for the patients, has been a tremendous help. We're constantly asking for Google reviews, and I'm constantly praising the team because we get great reviews pretty much every day, even though behind the scenes it seems like things can be chaos at times. So I tell them we try to make it organized chaos. The most impact has been, again, hygiene increase, and then also hiring more staff so we're able to delegate more. Why would I recommend another dentist to use TTI? TTI has helped all the background stuff at the office with systems, which is one of the areas we needed the most help with, but they have done the best job of recouping your investment quicker than any other consultant group, and I've worked with 5 of them over 30 years, so it is definitely worth the money.